Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat messages not sending. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application, and then at the top left you need to click on your profile image button. Then at the top right click on the settings icon, then scroll down and find clear data option, then click on that. And then in this list of options you need to click on the last one, clear cache, and then clear. So it will clear all the cache in this application. So after that you need to, if you still got this problem, the second thing you need to do is to swipe down from the top right corner, and then if your internet connection is not very good, you need to disable mobile data and then enable Wi-Fi, or actually disable Wi-Fi and enable mobile data. So it can be one of the solutions of your problem. You can actually enable airplane mode for about 5 or 10 seconds and then disable this mode again. So after that, if you still got this problem, the next thing you need to do is to go to your App Store application, and then at the bottom right click on the search icon and then type Snapchat here, and then search Snapchat. Then you need to click on that application, and then you need to see if there are new updates available. So if there are new updates, you need to download the last version of this application, so it will fix all your bugs, glitches and issues, and everything will be okay. So and that's all, and that's how to fix Snapchat messages not sending. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.